In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create subitems in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that adds a subitem every time a new item is created on your board, saving you clicks and keeping your workflows consistent. Start by going to Monday.com and signing into your account, then open the specific board where you want this automation to run. Automations are board specific, so make sure you're in the right place. If you don't see the options I'm using, you may need the right permissions, or to switch to a board you can edit, look to the top right of the board and click Automate. This opens the automation center for the current board where you can browse recipes or build your own. To set this up exactly how we want, choose Create from Scratch. That opens the builder with two parts, a trigger labeled When This Happens and an action labeled Then Do This. Click the When This Happens section to choose a trigger. From the list, select Item Created. This means the automation will fire anytime someone adds a new item to this board, whether manually or via forms and imports. It's a great choice when you want a consistent checklist or structure to appear beneath every new item. Next, click the Then Do This section to define what should happen after the trigger. From the available actions, select Create Subitem. This action tells Monday.com to automatically add a subitem under the newly created item. Depending on your plan and board setup, you can often customize the subitem's name or fields here. If available, consider using dynamic fields like pulling in the parent item's name to keep things tidy and easy to scan. With the trigger and action in place, click Create Automation to save it. The builder will confirm that your recipe is active. It can be helpful to give the automation a clear name so teammates know what it does at a glance. If you work with multiple teams, mentioning the board or purpose in the name can prevent confusion later. From now on, whenever a new item is added to this board, Monday.com will automatically create a subitem beneath it. This is perfect for standard checklists, handoff tasks, or required subtasks that shouldn't be missed. If you notice unexpected behavior, double check that you're on the correct board, that the automation is turned on, and that you have permission to create subitems. Also keep in mind that automations run per board and may be subject to plan limits. That's it. Your board now builds itself the moment new work appears.